Previously, I showed you how to use Midjourney AI to create crazy cool images. Here are 4 of them, but the problem is, as you can see, that they are pretty small. They are not clear. If you try to zoom in on them, you'll see pixels all over the place. That's not good. See? Pixel, 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 pixel everywhere. Not good. Luckily, we have a tool for upscaling, making the image bigger without any distortion, made by Topaz. Once you open Topaz, all you have to do is click on Browse Images. Click on the image that you want to upscale. On the bottom, you can see the results. You can use split screen too, of course, and how many times you want to upscale it. Here you can see the original image, and here you can see the enhanced version of it. Much, much better, right? Check out her hair, for instance. Silky smooth. Of course, this tool is not perfect, but I would say 90% of the images that I'm using is more than good enough. Here's another sample. What do you think? Pretty wild, right? Right now, we're only doing one image. So if you are happy with the result, go ahead and click on Save Image. It gives you some options on where to save it and the quality, and then click on Save. Of course, doing images one at a time is really time consuming. Luckily, there's batch mode. So let's go and do it. Control O, and then choose as many images as you want, and then click on Open. Here you can see all of the images that is loaded up. And then click on Save if you're satisfied. It will automatically save all 3 images wherever you want it to be. And here's the 3rd image. You can see that on the left side it's really pixelated when you try to zoom in. On the right hand side is perfect. Alright, hopefully you found this tutorial on how to enlarge, upscale an image useful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.